everybody, it's Roy from RoyCoach12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here to show you guys how to quickly fix something that drives me nuts about the Nothing Phone 3. Full disclosure, this isn't actually something with the Nothing Phone 3, it's something I've been seeing a lot of manufacturers doing lately. It started with OnePlus way back in the day, but it's something that drives me absolutely batty. When you get the phone, the default behavior for the power button is no longer to act as a power button. Tap it once, turns your screen off. Tap it again, you can turn it on. Use my fingerprint sensor, pops right up. But if you want to turn off the device, say you need to reboot it or you need to power it down when you're getting on an airplane or for work or whatever it may be, back in the olden days, you would hold down your power button and it would turn it off. But nowadays, when you do it, it automatically pops up your Google Assistant or Gemini or whatever the on-device assistant is. I absolutely hate that functionality. I want my power button back. You can get around it by holding the volume up and then pushing the power button, and that'll pull it up for you. I don't like that either because it's too close to the volume down and power, which takes a shortcut or takes a screenshot. But the good news is there is a super quick and easy way to restore that functionality by going into your settings. So go into settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to special features, and in special features we're going to go into gestures, and then we're going to scroll down to press and hold power button. And right in there you're going to switch it so it's automatically on digital assistant. We're going to switch it to power menu, and presto, you got your power menu back. And then, if you want to, you can use your assistant by tapping down here, going to the assistant any other way that you would normally do it, but you don't have to use your power button for something that you don't want it to. So again, super easy process, your power button's fixed and it's back to its normal behavior. If you guys have any questions about this process or anything else you want me to look at for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If this video has been helpful, if you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.